like it when I find out something new from Scripture. Not something new crazy that no one's ever seen before. If you're seeing things that no one's ever seen before, you're in big trouble probably. But once in a while, we think we understand something until we really look at it. That was my experience this week as I started to write the sermon from 2 Timothy chapter 2. I thought I knew what I was going to talk about. I thought I knew what this chapter was about. In fact, I'd written part of the sermon already. And then I reread it. In fact, I reread one line and it changed everything. And that sermon went from being sort of boring to really good. Really good because it taught me something that I didn't really know before. So, I'm thinking likely the same is going to be true for you. When you come on Sunday, you might hear something from 2 Timothy you've never heard before. The sermon is called Move Over. In our Bible study, we're going to continue our study of prayer in the Bible. In fact, this is going to be our last section on prayer. We've done a prayer of Paul in Ephesians, and we have done Jesus' last prayer in John 17. So this time we're going to go to his first recorded prayer. We're going to end where Jesus started, with what we've come to know as the Lord's Prayer. It's found in Matthew chapter 6 and Luke chapter 11, and we're going to be in the Luke part of it this time. We're going to look at what the prayer says, but more importantly than what the prayer says, we're going to look at what Jesus says around that prayer. Because the teaching about the prayer is almost as good as the prayer itself. So go have a look at that and see what Jesus has to say and teach about prayer. We're coming to the end of our lunches in a way. We're getting closer to the end anyway, probably another month or so. But lunches are still on. Lots of people are hanging around. As I say every week, bring enough for you and your family and one more family in case we have some visitors. I'm really looking forward to Sunday. A few of the ladies are going to be gone at ladies' retreat, but we'll carry on without them. Hope to see you there.